My name is Roman Martin. I work for CloudSphere, and I'm a Solutions Engineering Manager. CloudSphere is a discovery tool. It's used by companies who, any major change they want to make when it comes to their IT estate, you need to understand what you have first. So CloudSphere is there to help them discover automatically, so you're not relying on other people, human error, and it's a tool that's simple to deploy, lightweight, it gives lots of rich information around that environment. Biggest issue with modern IT nowadays is you have loads of companies, for example, police forces, public sector is a big issue, could be private companies, but these companies have grown organically over the years. They might have server rooms in the hospital, they might have data centers, they might have stuff from the 90s, they might have stuff from last year, and they just don't know what they have, how it communicates with each other. The guy that built this stuff probably left 20 years ago. CloudSphere is a discovery tool. It's SaaS-based, which is always very helpful, so it's incredibly lightweight for customers. It's a tool that we can deploy into the network, helps understand, not just from a hardware perspective, but from a software perspective, what do our customers own? How are those parts interacting with each other? And then we help them move that forward. So the most common use case is cloud. Everyone wants to move into the cloud nowadays. Everything's cloud, 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 and everything's very cybersecurity focused as well. So moving into the cloud in a cost-effective, safe and secure way is their biggest challenge, essentially. We help them do that. The main benefits of CloudSphere is the reduction of human error. So time, cost, speed to results, essentially. If you are a solutions architect or you're an IT director, you take a system, typically the current approach, you log into each of those servers, we catalog it, we get a spreadsheet out, we write this stuff down in a notebook, understand it, okay, that's talking to that, that's talking to that, then design the new system. What we do is we automate all of that, which is A, faster, but B, it reduces that human error. CloudSphere's approach is, when I move anything, if I'm moving into the cloud, I'm implementing a new system, I'm moving to a new data center, it's all around just what am I using? So you've got two sides of things. You've got stuff that's heavily used, you've got stuff that's rarely used, and you've got stuff that's never used. So what we're saying is, let's identify the stuff that's heavily or rarely used and talk about how do we move that, how do we change it, how do we modernize it. I could care less about the stuff which isn't being used at all, so we just ignore it. We typically operate on a partner model. So we engage with partners who might have services around their customer base. Again, that could be migrating into the cloud. That could be a wrapper service around cybersecurity and identifying threats. Our tool acts as those foundation data points that they use to deliver those services. So what we do is we go and we train these guys, make them fluent in this product, and then all it does is just save them loads of time. Yeah, it's an exciting space to work in. I love that we're a new company. We actually originated from the merger of two companies. So we took, if people are aware, a tool that was heavily geared around something called software asset management, and then another tool that was geared around cloud management. We've merged the two together and hopefully made something that's the best of both worlds. So rapidly growing company, CloudSphere, we're in the right space for sure, and it's just something that's going to keep growing and growing.